Welcome back to Visual Basics, episode number 2, but part 2 of setting up the game launcher. So what we're going to be doing is we're going to be doing some more work on setting up the wonderful, lovely game launcher that we were designing before for this game, for our Fractured Worlds. So yeah, if you don't know what this is, if you haven't seen me do this, it was on that previous video. It's Visual Basics Series Episode 1, Part 1 for the game launcher. Go check that out and then come back to this video if you're already here. Or if you just want to learn some stuff that we're doing within this, that's cool. Check it out, okay? But we're going to jump right into it. So what I want to do is I'm going to add a play button and a characters button. So I want us to be able to view the characters that we have within the game, so people can check out the character information, see what their abilities are and stuff like that, and get to know the characters a little bit more than you do within the game. So this will be updated with some stuff. And then I also kind of want to have a news button in here somewhere. I'm not sure exactly where I'm going to put it. I might replace it for the YouTube button, but we'll see what we do. So first off, we're going to make the play button. If I can find button, which should be at the top. Just going to take this, plop it in there. We are going to make the font a lot bigger. We're going to make it 25. You see, we gotta adjust the button now too, because we want this to be the main button, the button that we want people to press on to play our game. So we are also going to give it a name over here. How come I can't see it? It's up more. BTN play. So they'll click this to play the game. Now we're going to go all the way down, down to text, and we're going to call it play. That's not how you spell play. P-L-A-Y, play. Perfect. And so we're going to do some stuff with this one as well. But then we're also going to create another button. And actually, we're just going to delete that. We're just going to click over here, Control C, paste, and then like that. We're going to change the text within it to characters. Go all the way up. BTN characters. Hopefully I'm spelling that right. We'll see. So perfect. Now what we're going to do with this is we're going to, when we click characters, it'll show the characters and it'll display that information. When we click play, it'll display the information of, or actually it'll launch the game, sorry. It won't display information, it'll launch the game. Perfect. Okay, so now what I've done is I've gone within my project folder. I've gone game launcher, gone into the game launcher. I'm not sure if it has to be, like where exactly it has to be within this, but I've just put it inside bin debug right here, but I kind of want to try it if I take it out and I just put it in here with the game launcher, what will happen? So I tried this, made sure that it worked. Because I wasn't sure exactly where to put the file. So now what we're going to do is we're going to go in here. We're going to double click on play. I haven't really played around with it this much. So we're going to just try something. So we're just going to go process dot start. That's how you spell. I cannot type today, jeez. Dot start, and then we're going to do two quotation marks. Yeah, can't talk either. And then we're going to do game.exe. So that's just what I have it as. Like the executable for the game is just called game. So I have game.exe. I'll probably give that a unique name sometime. And then we're going to play it. Hit play. Okay, so it doesn't work there. Good to know. So we're going to stop running it. We're going to go back into here. We're going to go here. We're going to go here. We're going to cut it, and we're going to put it in here now. So now we're going to try it in here. Play. Same error. So yeah, it looks like whenever you're putting your file within it, you have to take it from game. You take your game, right? You copy whatever you need to. It will not be in my project. It will not be OBJ, because that's the objects, right? Not resources either. It'll be in bin. Debug. And then we paste it in here. And now, once that's all done and dandy, what we're going to do is we're going to go start. And now when I click this button, it'll run the game. So I click play. And then this loads up. I need to change it so that it doesn't automatically load this up when I start the game. But perfect. So play button works. So next episode will be the last part of the game launcher. And it'll have to do with just displaying the characters and having an image above here, so above the play button. But yeah, hope you enjoyed. Like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll catch you on next time. Like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll catch you on the flip side, kiddos.